These 5 signs is very hard to identify even for professional drivers. And trust me, you need to know them if you want to pass your theory test. Stick around. Number 5 confuses even experienced drivers. This is the no stopping sign, and it's an absolute test favorite. It's a red circle with a blue background and a big red X. Sounds simple, right? Well, a lot of people mix it up with no waiting, which has a single diagonal line. Just remember, X means zero movement, no stopping, no excuses. Here's a tricky one, the minimum speed limit sign. Unlike speed limits in red circles, this one is a blue circle, which means it's giving you an instruction, not a restriction. Fail to keep up, and you could be obstructing traffic. Now, this one gets people every time. The Contra-flow Bus Lane sign means buses are coming at you against the normal flow of traffic. If you're not paying attention, you might find yourself in a lane where you really shouldn't be. Trains are fast and level crossings are dangerous. This sign warns you of a railway crossing with no barrier, meaning you are responsible for checking before crossing. Always slow down and double check for any oncoming trains. And finally, the sign that confuses almost every learner, Ford. No, it's not about the car brand. It means the road ahead might be flooded. So be careful unless you fancy turning your car into a boat. Now you know 5 of the trickiest road signs in the UK. Feeling more confident for your theory test? If you found this helpful, hit that follow button and stick around for more must-know driving tips.